Hello everyone, welcome back to Competitive Exam Mania. This is the part 3 of the percentage video series, and in the part 1 and part 2 we have already learned many basic and shortcut tricks about percentage, and in this video also we are going to learn some more shortcut tricks related to percentage questions. And if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This video is going to be very helpful for those who are preparing for all types of competitive exams. So, without further delay, let's start the video. Question number 24. The sum of, here the sum means addition, that is plus, the sum of 15% of a positive number and 20% of the same number, here the same number means that positive number, is 126. What is 1/3 of that number? This question was asked in IBPS Clerk 2011. Here, in this question, they have mentioned a positive number. This positive number we have to first find. So, for finding that, we will suppose let the positive number be x. And according to the question, they have said the sum of 15% and 20% of the same number. So here we'll add plus and we'll write 15 and 20% because both are in percentage of positive number, that is x. Is means equals to 126. From this equation we'll find the value of x. So here we have to find 1/3 of x. Before that, we'll find out this 15 plus 20 is 35 and percentage means 100, of means into, x equals to 126. Cancelling out by 5, 5 sevens are 35, 5 2 0 20 100. Since there is equals to and into, we can cancel out 7 and 126. 7 ones are 7 and remaining 5, 7 eights are 56. Now here we got x and 20 into 18. X equals to 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 360. So here we got the value of that positive number. But according to question, we have to find the 1/3 of this positive number. So therefore, 1/3 of x equals to 1/3 of means into, x is 360. Cancel. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 0 equals to 120. This is our answer. Moving on to the next question. If income of Ram is 20% more than that of Shem, here something is 20% more, remember that, then the income of Shem is how much percent less than that of Ram? So here we have to find less than. So in this type of question, we have to use a particular trick or a particular formula. Here it is. If x is a% more than y, x can be anything, a salary, a price, and a is a percentage, and y can be a person, be a thing, anything. Then the formula is a by 100 plus a into 100% less than x. So here we are using the sign plus. Remember that for less than we will use plus. And second, if x is a% less than y, then y is a divided by 100 minus y into 100% more than x. For more we are using minus sign. So you have to mug up this formula and then apply in this question. So here it is asked less than, so we'll use the first formula. Now let's solve it by using this formula or a shortcut trick. Now we'll solve it by looking at the question. So in the question there is something 20% more. So here a equals to 20% more, and applying a in this formula we'll get a means 20 divided by 100 plus a again 20 into 100%. Now in the denominator we'll add 120 and we'll get 120. So it will be 20 divided by 120 into 100, cancelling out the zeros. 0 0 will be cancelled out, and then 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12, And again cancelling by 2, 2 3s are 6 and 2 50s are 100. Now we got 50 divided by 3. So we'll divide 50 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 20. Then 3 6 are 18, remainder 2. And here we got the answer 16, 2 by 3. Or in decimal we can write it as, putting one decimal we'll get again 20 and 2 3 6 are 18. Again the remainder will be 2 and 6 will come again and again, so it will be 16.66 recurring percent. So this is this much percent less. So from this question we learned a shortcut trick that simply by using the value of a, that is 20%, in this formula we can easily get the answer. We just have to see the percentage, that is in this question it is 20%, that is a. Just put the value of a in the formula, you'll get the answer. So moving on to the next question. In a test, A scored 10% more than B and B scored 5% more than C. If C scored 300 marks out of 400, then A's marks is. We have to find A's marks, and in the question clue is given, that is C scored 300 out of 400. Out of means the total marks. So the total marks is 400 and C has scored 300. So using this clue, we'll find out the answer. As you can see, this question was asked in SSC CGL 2012. So this type of question we have to solve it from backward, that is we took the value of C, that is 300, and again in the question it is said that the value of B, that is the marks of B, is 5% more than C. So we'll add C plus 5% of the total marks, that is 5% of 400. So we'll write B equals to C plus 5% of 400, since it is 5% more. So the value of C is 300 and percent means 5 by 100 into 400. Now by cancelling out two zeros, we'll have 300 plus 5 fours are 20. So we'll have 320. So the value, that is the marks of B, is 320. Now again in question it is said that A scored 10% more than B. So we will find out the value or the marks of A from the value of B. So A has scored 10% more than B, means B plus 10% of the total marks, that is 400. Here the value of B is 320 plus 10% means 10 by 100 into 400. So cancelling out two zeros, we have 320 plus 40. That is equals to 360. So the marks of A is 360. Next, if A's salary is 25% higher than B's salary, then how much percent is B's salary lower than A's salary? This question was asked in RRB Clerk Prelims 2017 and WBCS 2016. We have already solved this type of question where something is higher and we have to find the value in lower. So do you remember the formula? This formula we have already used. So if x is a% more than y, and we are using this formula, and if x is a% less than, for more than, we are using this formula. So here in this question it is asked less than, so we'll use the first one, and the first one is a% more. Here a is 25%, so we will add 25 in place of a. So a divided by 100 plus a into 100%. So putting the value of a, for less than we are using plus, and for more than we are using minus. So here we are using plus 25 divided by 100 plus 25 into 100%. Now in the numerator we have 25, and in denominator 100 plus 25, 125 into 100. Now we'll cancel out by 25. 25 ones are 25, 25 fives are 125, and 5 20s are 100. So we got 20%. So our answer is B's salary is 20% lower than A's salary. Simply by using the formula, we found out the answer. Next question. A's salary is 20% less than B's salary. Then B's salary is more than A's salary by, so this is also the similar kind of question where we have to find more than, that means we are using minus in the formula, and A is 20%. So this type of question we are using second one. Since we are finding more than, so here we'll write the formula as A divided by 100 minus A into 100%. Now simply putting the value of A, that is 20%, 20 divided by 100 minus 20 into 100, we get 20 upon 80 into 100. Now we'll solve this and we'll find the answer. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and 4 5s are 20, and 5 5s are 25. That means the answer is 25% more. So here B's salary is 25% more than A's salary. Let's solve next similar question. If in an examination the marks obtained by Komal is 20% less, just you have to see the percentage, and what we have to find? How much percent more? That means we are using minus in the formula, and 20% less means the value of A is 20, and here we are using minus in the formula. So simply by looking at the two values, we can find the answer. So here we are putting minus in the formula and the value of A is 20. So here we write as 20 divided by 100 minus 20 into 100. Now I think you all can solve this. This is your homework. Now another similar question was asked in Bank Clerk 2009. Just don't see the question, see the percentage over here, that is the value of A, and then just see what you have to find. You have to find how much percent more. For more, we are using minus in the formula. That is the value of A is 40 and we are using minus. So we got the formula A upon 100 minus A into 100%. Now this is again your homework. I know you can solve this. Just put the value of A and find the answer. So that's all in the part 3 of this video. We will learn some more tricks about percentage in the next part 4 of this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you're preparing for competitive exams, just practice these tricks, whatever we have learned in this video. And then we'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.